Cotton will always have, I think, a main part to play in the Australian rural industries, principally because of the technology that it's been able to adopt. The market pressures are always there, making the financial viability of any rural industry in Australia at the moment very hard. The only gains we are making on that financial viability is through improved varieties, the use of new technologies, including Boll Garden Roundup Ready. 20 years ago, the average yield was somewhere around 1.8 bales per acre. Now we see it up around 3-5 bales. So yeah, there's been quite a considerable increase in yields, and it's all been due to technology and varieties. I think there's two quantum leaps that the cotton industry has made. The first one was really being responsible within the industry for the handling of chemicals. But biotechnology has really made that second leap, where we have been able to go away from some of the heavier chemistries, not only with insecticides, but particularly with herbicides. Roundup Ready has really allowed us the elimination of cultivation altogether, and cultivation is something that was causing us problems with soil structure. So yeah, there's been a raft of improvements there from the environmental point of view. We've also seen quite significant gains in crop vigour with lack of residual type herbicides. The adoption of technology, particularly Boll Garden and Roundup Ready, has allowed us to really focus on the management of all our resources on farm, to revamp our whole thinking on how we manage those resources and best utilise them. Now we can time operations, we can schedule operations much better. So therefore we can manage our workforce a lot better. We haven't got the pressures of deadlines with applications, and it's certainly simplified that management. We have more to gain than to lose from the adoption of technologies, and I certainly respect the people's reticence to take on and adopt new technologies. But I think if there's an open mindedness about the education process and learning about these technologies, I think people will come to accept them as not only being part of what is happening, but a necessary part of what's going to happen in rural industries in becoming efficient.